Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you an upcoming project and challenge you to see if you can figure out how to reverse engineer it. So this one's called Street Art, and it basically is replicating being able to spray paint on something like a canvas like this. So when I press and hold the mouse, it looks like it's spray painting on this canvas, and I can sit here and hold this, and it'll actually fill it in, so it colors in all the way. And if I press the up arrow, it makes it so that my spray stream gets bigger. If I press the down arrow, it gets smaller. Now, I can also change the color on here. So I'm pressing the right arrow, and I can go back and press the left arrow to change it to different colors. And then if I want to, I can actually press X, and it will delete or erase all of the canvas. So your goal is to try and figure out how to recreate those kind of functions. So making it so it sprays, making it so that the spray can get larger and smaller, making it so it can change colors, and then making it so you can clear your canvas. Now, to do that, in the description below this video, there is a remix project. And in the remix project, it has a spray costume. So this is a spray paint costume, and your goal is to add in the code to make it so that you can actually spray on a wall, as long as you have permission from whoever owns that wall in Scratch, and or any kind of other backdrop like a display case or a stage or something like that. Okay, so again, the description includes the link to this remix project with the spray paint sprite. And if you figure out how to recreate this project, go ahead and post your own version of it in the comments below this video. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.